This is one of the official cars of the StreetInfluenced channel. I had a few Camaros, but I prefer the Mustang over the Camaros just because I've had so many Camaro SS. But I was really liking this. I believe it's the 3rd gen Coyote. The front end's a little bit different from the previous years, and the rear end's a little bit different, and the horsepower is bumped up on this model. I will be getting some more content of this car up once I figure out what type of videos to make. And then for 2018, this one is this is a 2018 model, but this comes with the rear spoiler as well, not just the duckbill. So that's pretty cool. I like this option on this car. This one has the upgraded exhaust system, and then I forgot what the suspension's called that this one has. You can adjust the suspension settings within the car. Far from that, the performance package, there's 2 levels of it. This is performance package 1. So this isn't like the highest package you can get, but this is the performance package 1. It was plenty for me. Yeah, mostly I've just been focusing on the paint because this is a black car. If anyone's owned a black car before, you know that any little thing that hits that paint is going to scratch this paint. So I've been spending some time, saving my time in the future, waxing this car, you know, making sure that the paint's already protected while it's in pretty good shape, as well as fixing little things. You know, the car's not that old, but for black paint you are gonna get little imperfections here and there. 3rd gen Coyote Mustang 5.0. This is 2018 through 2020 body style. Like I said, the front end is a little more sleek. It's peaked more in the front end, different headlights, different bumper. They changed up the splitter. I remember reading that it's like a NASA aero package that they upgraded on the newer model Mustangs, as well as the rear end. Stock exhaust setup sounds really good. Don't plan on doing nothing much besides an X pipe on this. This is my DJI Phantom 3 professional 4K camera. They've made new drones and they've came out, but man, the DJI Phantom 3, I've had that drone for a while now and it does everything I need it to do, so I haven't upgraded to a new drone yet. I'll just keep using that one until something goes wrong with it. So any videos you see involving the drone in my videos, that's off the DJI Phantom 3. And most of my handheld shots are going to be off my DJI Osmo Pocket. And I record at 1080p. I don't really record a lot of 4K shots because it takes up a lot of space. And not everyone is streaming 4K on YouTube. So I like to keep a lot of my videos in 1080p. But yeah, I'm not going to get too technical with this video, guys. This is just the introduction of my 2018 Mustang GT 5.0 Performance Package 1. And stay posted. I will have some more content of this car coming out. Any modifications that I plan to do with it. I'm not going to do nothing heavy with this car. Also forgot to mention, I got the 6-speed manual. I know it's slower than the 10-speed automatic. I'm a little sad about that because the 10-speed automatic Mustang GT 5.0 goes 0 to 60 in like something crazy like 4 seconds. I really wish I had that 0 to 60 time on this car. I didn't want to spend this much money on an automatic car because this is more of like a weekend car for me. I'm not going to drive it every day. But it would be nice to get that 0 to 60 time on the automatic 10-speed. I'm more of a manual guy than an automatic, unless it was a GTR and I had no choice. 6-speed manual is more for me.